Finding the right watch can feel overwhelming. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Essentials Watch for Men. First up is the Essentials Watch for Men by Seiko, priced at $197.66. The combination of the traditional white dial and gold tone case caught my eye immediately. If you want a classic watch that pairs well with almost anything, this is worth a serious look. This watch really nails that timeless aesthetic. The 30mm water resistance means you don't have to stress if you get caught in the rain or accidentally splash some water on it. Plus, the supple black leather strap adds an elegance that can take you from a casual day out to a more formal evening event. Honestly, it's a watch that feels just as at home in a boardroom as it does on a weekend outing. Now some might say the gold tone case feels a bit flashy for everyday wear. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy making a statement without being overly bold, this watch strikes a perfect balance. It's not for everyone, but if you appreciate a hint of luxury, this could really shine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a classic timepiece that transitions smoothly from day to evening. Skip this one if you prefer a watch with a sporty design or vibrant colors. For the price, it offers solid value and a touch of elegance. Now, if the leather strap isn't your style, the next watch offers a completely different vibe. Product number 2, 5 Automatic Blue Dial Watch. Next up is the 5 Automatic Blue Dial 38mm Stainless Steel Men's Watch SNXS77, retailing for $209.21. This watch grabbed my attention with its striking blue dial and sleek design. If you're after a stylish yet functional watch, this one deserves a look. With a 38mm case, it feels just right on the wrist, making it perfect for daily wear. The automatic movement means you don't have to worry about battery changes. It winds itself as you move. That's a huge plus if you're someone who often forgets to wind a manual watch or change batteries. Plus, the stainless steel case offers durability, which is a must for everyday use. Some users have mentioned that the watch might feel a bit small if you have larger wrists. That said, it's designed with comfort in mind, and if you prefer a more refined look over a bulky watch, this could be a deal maker. This watch is ideal for you if you like a clean, classic look without sacrificing functionality. Skip this one if you need a larger face or prefer a more rugged style. At this price point, it packs in a lot of value for a daily driver. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something unique. Product number 3, Limited 2023 Rowing Blazers X Seiko. Now let's talk about the Limited 2023 Rowing Blazers X Seiko sports watch, priced at $334.18. This one stands out with its vibrant blue sunray dial and the eye-catching unidirectional rotating bezel. If you want a watch that's both stylish and practical, this is definitely worth your time. With a water resistance of up to 100 meters, it's perfect for those who enjoy water sports or simply want peace of mind during a shower. The built-in calendar is another thoughtful touch that keeps you organized. However, I've seen some comments about its size being slightly bulky for smaller wrists. Here's the thing, if you love a substantial watch that makes a statement, this is perfect. But if you prefer something more understated, you might want to consider other options. This watch is perfect for you if you appreciate unique collaborations and want a watch that stands out in a crowd. Skip this one if you're after a classic or minimalist design. For the features and aesthetic, it's a fair price. Now, if that one felt a little too flashy for your taste, the next watch takes a different approach altogether. Product number 4, Men's Watches 5 SNKE034. Next up is the Men's Watches 5 SNKE034, which you can grab for just $139.72. This watch caught my eye with its no-frills design and automatic movement. If you need a reliable watch without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth a look. At 36mm, it's a great size for those who prefer a more compact watch. The automatic feature means you don't need to fuss with batteries, making it an excellent choice for those who lead busy lives. Plus, with a day-date function, you'll never miss an important date again. The minimalist style keeps it versatile enough for any occasion. Some users have pointed out that the limited features might not meet the needs of those looking for more advanced functionalities. That said, if you're after simplicity and reliability, this watch hits the mark perfectly. It's all about knowing what you value in a watch. This is perfect for you if you want something straightforward and effective for daily wear. Skip this one if you want advanced features like water resistance or a rotating bezel. For the price, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Now, if you want something a bit more rugged, wait till you hear about the next option. Product number 5, SSK001 Automatic Watch for Men. Finally, we have the SSK001 Automatic Watch for Men, priced at $474.86. The black dial with luminous hands caught my attention right away, making it a striking choice for nighttime visibility. If you need a watch that's both rugged and elegant, this one's definitely worth checking out. The black and gray GMT bezel allows you to track multiple time zones, a fantastic feature for travelers. Plus, the reliable 4R34 caliber ensures accurate timekeeping, which is crucial if you're on the go. However, some might find the price tag a bit steep compared to the other options. But here's the thing. The durability and features you're getting justify the investment if you travel or engage in outdoor activities frequently. This watch is perfect for you if you're looking for functionality combined with style. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer simpler designs. For what you get, it's a solid choice. Now, let's wrap up with a quick comparison of all 5 products. So let's quickly compare all 5. The Essentials watch for men is perfect for classic elegance, while the 5 automatic blue dial watch offers a sleek, functional option. The limited 2023 Rowing Blazers X Seiko makes a bold statement, and the men's watch's 5 SNKE034 is great for those who appreciate simplicity. Finally, the SSK001 is ideal for the rugged, stylish individual. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the limited 2023 Rowing Blazers X Seiko because it blends practicality with unique style effortlessly. I'd avoid the SSK001 if you're not ready to invest in a more premium watch. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.